finally, from Nam Joo Hyuk's long-awaited comeback to Park Eun Bin's supernatural romance, and Lee Dong Wook returning with A Shop for Killers Season 2, and plenty of romances, thrillers, and fantasies and family dramas. July is officially the biggest month of K-drama fans this year. If you have been waiting for your next obsession, this month's lineup might be the strongest of 2026. So, without wasting any time, let's check out every new K drama releasing in July 2026. So, our first drama of the month is The Husband, starring Nam Kung Min, Lee Sol, Kim Dae Myung, and Lee Sang Hee. This drama is releasing on July 4th, and this is a romance thriller which follows a neurosurgeon who is about to divorce his wife, but everything changes when she is suddenly kidnapped. Now, to save her, he must cross legal and moral boundaries, turning the drama into an emotional thriller packed with suspense. If you love intense dramas with unpredictable twists, this one deserves a spot on your watch list. Next up on our watch is Love in Sync, starring Kim Myung Soo, Kang Mina, Kwon So Hyun. This is also releasing on July 4th, and this is a romantic comedy and fantasy drama. An emotional, distant actress and an overly empathetic psychologist mysteriously begin feeling each other's emotions. As chaos unfolds, they suddenly heal each other while navigating an unusual supernatural connection. Expect a lot of funny moments, chemistry, and heartwarming romances if you are watching this drama. On number 3, we are having Family Register, starring Park Se-young, Han Go-eun, and Im Ji-eun. This is releasing on July 6th. If emotional family stories are your thing, Family Register might surprise you. This is a melodrama of a young woman blamed since childhood for bringing misfortune to her family, fights society's prejudice while uncovering painful family secrets. This one looks emotional, inspiring, and packed with powerful performances. Next on number 4, we are having The Apartment Job, releasing on July 11th. If you are looking for something different, The Apartment Job mixes comedy with crime. In this story, a former gangster runs for a apartment residents association president, not to help people but to steal hidden money. Instead, he accidentally becomes a hero while exposing corruption. The concept alone makes this one incredibly unique. Hope this drama makes up to your watch list. Now coming on to our first hype of the month, that is Dream to You, starring Hwang In-yeop, Harry, Baek Sang-chul, Lee Yul-om. This is releasing on July 13th, and Hwang In-yeop is finally back in Dream to You, guys. Our true beauty star. Now, this is a rom-com in which a successful film director reunites with his childhood friend, now a reporter, who has lost her passion for life. 15 years later, old dreams, unfinished love, and second chances collide. And if you enjoy mature romance with emotional storytelling, keep your eyes on this one, guys. I'm insisting you. Next up are drama number 6 and the second hype of the month, The East Palace. Now, this drama is starring Nam Joo Hyuk after a long time, Ro Yoon Seo, Cho Sung Woo. This drama is releasing on July 17th, and this is a historical fantasy and mystery drama. One of the biggest releases this month is The East Palace, starring Nam Joo Hyuk, where he plays a ghost hunter capable of transforming into a spirit himself, while a court lady who can communicate with the dead joins him to uncover terrifying secrets hidden inside the cursed East Palace. Beautiful cinematography, palace mystery, ghosts, and dark fantasy. This is one of the July's most anticipated dramas. On number 7, we are having our third hype of the month, Spooky in Love. Yes, this was like everywhere on YouTube, everywhere on Shorts, on Reels, Instagram, everywhere, because Park Eun Bin returns in it, and it is yet another supernatural romance horror fantasy drama. Now, she plays a wealthy hotel CEO who can see ghosts. And while Yang Sejong stars as a prosecutor investigating mysterious murder cases, together they solve paranormal mysteries while slowly falling in love. If you enjoy ghost series mixed with romance and comedy, this one looks incredibly promising. And Park Eun Bin, I don't have to say, she is a legend actress, and with the popularity of Wonderfuls, I can totally see that this must be worth the hype. This is releasing on July 18th, and you have to watch this drama. On number 8, we are having A Shop for Killers Season 2. Now, this is the fourth hype of the month because this is starring Lee Dong-wook finally after such a long time, and Kim Hae-jun. This is releasing on July 22, and this is an action drama that follows Jong Ji-an, who moves in with her uncle Jong Ji-man following her parents' passing. After Ji-an inherits Ji-man's shopping mall, season 2 follows Ji-an and Ji-man as they fight back against the global forces of Babylon. On number 9, we are having Love on the Menu, starring Ha Sok Jin, Hani, Park Yuna, Bae Jong Nam. This is releasing on July 25. And guys, if you are a food lover like me, this drama is for you. Now, this is a family romance drama that follows Kim Moo Jin and Han Gyu Rim, who reunites 8 years after a painful breakup. As they reconnect, they piece together the fragments of their broken families and create warmest table of life together. As they rebuild their lives through family, food, and second chances, old feelings begin to resurface. Now, this is a comforting slice of life romance, perfect for cozy weekend binges, and I'm sure this is gonna be an underdog, if you know what I mean. But this is definitely on my watch list apart from all the hype worthy dramas. Last but not the least, we are having A Bonafide Killer starring Kong Hyo Jin, Jung Jun Won, and Lee Sang-gi. This is releasing on July 31st. Closing the month is A Bonafide Killer, an action-packed crime thriller following a professional assassin navigating dangerous missions, betrayal, and survival. If dark thrillers are your favorite genre, this is definitely the one to watch. So, that's every major K drama releasing this July. We are having 4 of the famous hyped dramas along with some very potential hype worthy dramas. And personally, I'm most excited for, of course, The East Palace because I love Nam Joo Hyuk and I was waiting for him so long. So, now I want to hear from you guys that which July K dramas are you adding to your watch list? If this video helped you discover your next binge, do not forget to like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell because every month I'll bring you the latest K-drama releases, recommendation, hidden gems and all of the biggest K-drama news. And मेरी latest video पे बिल्कुल भी views नहीं आई हैं guys, please देख लो please. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, sarangi. Bye.